Good morning, my dear students of class 3. How are you? Hope you all are well and stay your home now. So, today is Saturday and the date is 4th July 2020. This is our English 1 class. So boys, today we learn a new lesson that is Birbal and the Cooking Pot, page number 63. And this is also a drama, not a story. So boys, let's start off your studies. So today we learn a lesson that is also called a drama. So at first we know about the definition of drama or what is the drama. So boys, remember one thing, that is drama is a story told in dialogue by performers in front of an audience. Drama is another word for a play. So boys, remember this, drama or play as a same term. Next, when you think of drama, you might think of stage plays performed in theatres. However, drama is more than theatre. So boys, I think you learn the meaning of drama. Then we know the elements of drama. So the first one is props. That means a small movable items that actors use to make their action look realistic. Next one is acts, are the units of action in a drama. The acts are often divided into smaller parts and scenes. Next one is plot, the events in a play. Then setting, the time and place of a literary work. Number 4 is characters, people or creatures in a play. Number 5 point is dialogue, conversation in a play. Number 6 is theme, the central thought of a play, the idea or ideas with which a play deals. And the last one is scenery, the various elements that are used to create a particular visual setting for a play. So boys, remember the elements of drama. Now we know about the difference between drama and story. So boys, remember this point, that drama is meant to be performed on a stage by actors who have memorized their lines before a live audience, and story is similar to drama in that the space available necessarily limits the action and the scope. Next we know scene in a drama. What is the scene? A scene is a part of an act defined with the changing of characters or characters. To be more specific, the elements that create the plot of a play or drama and divide a drama into acts include the exposition, which gives information a setting of the rest of the story. So boys, you can notice in your book that there is written scene 1, scene 2, scene 3, and there is also a changing or characters. Next one is characters. What is character? A character is a person or other being in a narrative. Character, particularly when enacted by an actor in the theatre or cinema, involves the illusion of being. Today we know about the lesson that is Birbal and the Cooking Pot, and it is also a drama. So boys, at first we know the moral of this drama. A small ray of hope is enough to inspire the one who is ready to work hard to turn his dream into a reality. And then we know the characters of this play. And character is the very important elements of the play. Without character, the drama is not held. So number 1 is Akbar, 2 Birbal, 3 courtiers, 4 washermen, 5 washermen's wife, 6 drummer, 7 messenger, 8 child and 9 people. Next we know about the character of Akbar, or who was Akbar. Akbar was the great third Mughal emperor and the son of Humayun. He shall be remembered for his inner qualities of truthfulness, selflessness, and the deadliness of mind, body, and soul. He was the most tolerant Mughal emperor and abolished the Circassian taxes. Next we know who was Birbal. Birbal was appointed by Akbar, was a poet and singer in around 1556 to 1562. He was one of the 9 jewels of Akbar. He is mostly known in the Indian subcontinent for the folk tales which focus on his wit. He was also a courtier and advisor in the Mughal court of Emperor Akbar. He is mostly known in the Indian subcontinent for the folk tales which focus on his wit. These tales involve him being smarter than or making fool of other courtiers, and sometimes even Akbar using only making his intelligence and cunning. From the 20th century onwards, plays, movies and books based on these folk tales were made. Some of these folk tales are in children's comics and school textbooks. We know about the summary of Birbal and the cooking pot. It was winter, the rivers were all frozen. At the court, Akbar asked Birbal, "Tell me, Birbal, will a man stand in this water for one whole night? Would he die?" Birbal replied, "Yes." The emperor ordered him to prove it. The very next day, drummer beat his drum loudly and said that anyone who can stand for one night in the river near the palace will be richly rewarded. Then a washerman was accepted the challenge. Birbal told the king that the washerman was ready to do anything for the sake of money. The king ordered the washerman to be inside the frozen river all through the night. The whole night he was inside the pond, shivering. Next day he entered the court with his family and bowed before Akbar. Akbar told, "Come, take your reward." Then a courtier raised his voice and said that he did not deserve the reward because the lights from your palace kept it warm. The washerman went away sadly with his family. Next day, Birbal did not come in the court. So Akbar sent a messenger to go and find out the reason for his absence. When the messenger returned, then he said that Birbal was cooking his food and it would take a long time to do so. Hearing this, Akbar was angry and he said, "How could food take so long to cook?" He wanted to see for himself. There Akbar saw that Birbal was sitting near a fire on the ground, and far above it on a branch of a tree was a cooking pot. Seeing this, Akbar said palace had made the water of the river warm. Then Akbar realized his mistake, and at last the washerman and his family were present at Akbar's court. Akbar handed the tray of coins to Birbal, who gave it to the washerman, and the washerman smiled and bowed before the emperor. So boys, today's class is over, and have you any questions or queries, you can call me or sending message through WhatsApp after 11:30 to 12 on that day, and I give you some homework and you can write down this in your books and copies. And next I will give you some classwork that you will write in your English 1 copy or English 1 school copy. And when the school will reopen, your teacher can check or discuss these chapters. So boys, thank you for this class.